Hey there everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll give you a little information about the Hashflow token, about ongoing Launchpool on the Binance. I'll show you my current balance and I'll show you my participation in the current Launchpool on the Binance. Alright, so let's start with the market. In the last few days, the whole crypto market raised up again about 5-10% on different coins. We've got BNB coin in about 351 USDT, and that's because the current Launchpool on the Binance, so the price raised up really good. The Bitcoin is over 21,000, Ethereum raised up as well, so the most cryptocurrencies going on, and people already start considering this move as a start of the bull run or a start of the new cryptocurrency wave. So basically soon we can expect a much bigger raise up on the whole crypto market, but still always keep in mind that anytime and any day the market might go down even more and go back to the low prices, right? Also, if you have seen my last video, I was investing 500 euro in Solana at about 33 USDT per coin. So let's go and check the chart. We go into trade, click on the spot, find here our Solana, and as you can see right now the current price is 37.20, so over 37 USDT per coin. So I've got already a nice 10% raise up from my investment, right? Now let's go back into my wallet, so I'll show you my current balance. Click over here on the spot account, and as you see, we go into overview, and as you see I have right now almost 27,000 USDT, which is about 1.26 bitcoins overall. So I have a nice raise on my balance as well, and as I always say, I'll be keep investing more or less in different cryptocurrencies from my list until the Bitcoin hits the 75,000 USDT per coin. Okay, now let me show you the current Launchpool on the Binance, which is a Hashflow token Launchpool. So we go into earn, click on the launchpad, and over here we can see the HFT Launchpool with BUSD pool or a BNB pool, right? And if we go a little bit lower, the very last launchpad or a Launchpool we had about March of this year, so more than a half year we didn't have any Launchpool or a launchpad on the Binance. Okay, and we still have 25 days until farming ends. So as you remember from my last video, I was redeemed my BNB token from the lock staking, and I put them on the BNB pool. And if you click over here, so you can see that I have staked more than 17 BNB tokens in the Launchpool, right? And I've got already 2.5 Hashflow tokens. They're over here unclaimed rewards. I can claim them anytime, and the rewards are updating every hour, so basically every hour I'm getting some small profit. I suppose I'm not gonna claim them until the farming period ends, and on the very last day I'm gonna claim all my rewards, and more likely I'm gonna train them into USDT, right? We still don't know the annual percentage yield for the Launchpool, so we'll be able to see them after the token is listed, which is gonna happen on this Monday at 1 o'clock. So we still have 1 day and 14 hours until listing. And one more thing I wanted to tell you, that in my last video I was saying that we can move our BNBs into the BNB vault, get 0.25% profit from the BNB vault, and all those BNBs will be participating in the launch pool automatically. But that was working in all previous launch pools, but this time that's not gonna work like that. So basically I did a little mistake and I was holding all my BNBs in the BNB vault for a few hours, but after I found an information about that this time that's not gonna work like that, so after that I just redeemed all my BNBs from the BNB vault and moved them directly into the BNB pool over here. So just keep in mind that this time that's not gonna work, and you have to move your either BNB or BUSD into one of the two pools on the Hashflow launch pool. And now let's go and read a little information about the Hashflow itself. So it says that Hashflow is a decentralized exchange focusing on interoperability, zero slippage, and MEV protected trades. MEV is a minor extractable value. It allows traders to trade any asset on any chain in seconds by connecting their wallets. It's a cross-chain DEX that operates on Ethereum, BNB chain, Polygon, Avalanche, Optimism, and Arbitrum. Unlike other exchanges, Hashflow charges no commission and executes all trades at the displayed price. According to the project, users are not bothered to slippage or minor extractable value, front-running their trades and executing them at worse prices. Hashflow engages users with its Hashwares, a gamified storyverse-driven DAO where you can stake tokens, complete quests, and earn Hashflow tokens and unique NFTs in the process. The Hashflow team and investors, we're gonna skip this one. How does Hashflow work? Hashflow emphasizes that it takes a different approach from regular decentralized exchanges relying on an automated market maker. The exchange stresses that AMMs are capital inefficient, routinely prone to risks like sandwich attacks and impermanent loss, and cannot price non-spot assets. Instead of that, Hashflow employs a pricing approach called a request for quote or RFQ model. In an RFQ model, professional market makers manage liquidity pools and liquidity providers enjoy previously unknown efficiency and security. In particular, the exchange moves pricing off-chain, allowing them to factor in data like historic asset prices and volatility. This leads to more efficiently priced assets and, consequently, to a better trading experience for users. More precisely, users benefit from pricing since prices are formed off-chain, on-chain spreads are tighter, zero slippage, all quotes are executed at the displayed price. MEV resistance, cryptographic signatures make front-running impossible. Bridgeless cross-chain swaps. Traders can swap across chains without relying on third-party bridges. Hashflow stresses that its bridgeless cross-chain swaps don't require users to rob assets or take the smart contract risk of bridging to another chain. Instead of that, the protocol leverages market makers who manage liquidity in the pools and are required to cryptographically sign quotes that remain unchanged until the execution on the trade. For instance, a simple swap of the Ethereum for Avalanche would involve the following steps. Request a quote for selling Ethereum on the source chain and buying Avalanche on the destination chain. The market maker provides a quote. The trader submits the transaction on the source chain. Liquidity pool smart contract transfer funds into the liquidity pool and call the gateway smart contract. Gateway smart contract triggers an event and validators validate transactions and submit proof to the gateway endpoint on the destination chain. Relayers submit payload on the destination chain and transfer the balance to the trader's wallet. Unique features of Hashflow. Hashflow attempts to innovate on the DEX market with several unique features. More efficient pricing. Unlike traditional decentralized exchanges which rely on automated market makers, Hashflow takes a liquidity-focused approach. Its RFQ model functions a bit like the currency exchange office of the analogous world, only that Hashflow's economies of scale and deep liquidity pools with more than $10 billion in volume allow for a more efficient pricing approach vis-a-vis its competitors. Hashwares. With the Hashware, the project introduces a gamified storyverse-driven governance structure that operates with a both escrowed token model and engages stakers. Hashflow aims to upend the traditional governance approach of DAOs and introduce a model where we HFT stakers create an in-game character. With this gamified approach, users can complete tasks that benefit the community and earn rewards in the process, all the while staying engaged in the governance process. High interoperability and reputable backers. Hashflow has already expanded to several major L1 blockchains and the main Ethereum scaling solutions like Arbitrum or Optimism. Traders can pick from several blockchains to swap assets. At the same time, the team managed to attract several high-profile investors, which led to a valuation of $400 million when closing the $25 million Series A funding round. Hashflow tokenomics. The Hashflow token is the protocol's governance token with a total supply of 1 billion Hashflow tokens. The token allocation is as follows: 19.22% is the core team, 25% is going to early investors, 2.5% future hires, and the rest, 53.18%, is ecosystem development. And at the end, Hashflow announced that there would be retroactive NFT rewards with 60.75% of the Hashflow token supply going to early users that received Hashflow NFTs. The remaining 9.5% of Hashflow tokens allocated to the treasury for rewards will go to trading rewards, market making rewards, and LP rewards. So basically this is the whole information we've got at the moment. So I'm gonna keep my BNBs for the next 25 days until the Hashflow Launchpool will be finished. In one day we're gonna see the current price for the Hashflow token, and in my next video I'm planning to invest again probably about €500, and I'll be considering to invest between Avalanche or Polygon tokens. So that's it for today. Thank you everyone, and I'll see you in my next videos.